'Cause I get so tired, so tired of losing you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things Asian beauty, skincare, and lifestyle. And today we are talking all about Japanese beauty trends for the winter of 2020. I actually recently went to a Japanese bookstore and picked up one of my favorite magazines to read, which is Biteki, because they feature a lot of the trends that are currently going on in the beauty world in Japan. And since I was so inspired by this, I took some of the trends that were in this magazine to recreate a look that would be perfect for the winter time that you guys can actually recreate at home. Now, I've done this video in several different ways per season, but this time around I have a little bit of a twist on it, and I'm actually using Western brands to create this makeup look, so it's easier for you guys to actually recreate this look. So without further ado, let's get right on into the video. So for the first step of base makeup, I've actually already finished up with my base makeup look. I find that with Japanese beauty trends, it really doesn't change season to season. They always go for a healthy, glowy skin, sometimes leaning more towards a velvetier finish, but overall, healthy, glowy skin is always in, compared to Western beauty trends where sometimes freckles are in, glowier skin is in, more contoured. It doesn't really change as much as Western beauty. So if you do want to know how I created my base makeup, make sure to go ahead and check out this video right now. I have an entire video dedicated to how I achieve glowy skin. Now for the eye makeup, we saw a little bit of this like purpley hazy look come into the beauty trend scene in Japan in the fall time, but it's actually coming more in full force in the winter time. So I actually picked up this palette from HUDA Beauty called Sand Haze, and it has a lot of the beautiful like neutral but warm toned purple colors that is going to be perfect for achieving this look. To start off this makeup look, I'm definitely going to go ahead and reach for this matte purpley red color, and I'm actually, instead of using it straight on my eyelid, going to pat off some of the pigment onto the back of my hand, just because we don't want to go for a super highly pigmented look. We're just going for a little bit of a haze over the eyes, and then I'm just going to lightly go ahead and pat it all over my lid and going to blend it out. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like it'll look beautiful on all skin types, and it's something that you can actually just wear as just one color. I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm just going to lightly just blend out that edge. Now, instead of dipping my eyeshadow brush directly back into the color, once again, I'm taking it on the back of my hand so it's not overly pigmented, and then I'm gonna take that color right underneath my eyes as well. So once we have that base color on, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this beautiful shimmery purple color. It has purple reflexes, but the base color is still kind of this cool tone brown. So I think it's gonna be absolutely gorgeous all over the lid. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right on top, like so, and just pat it in. Look at how beautiful. It just gives like this beautiful purple sheen right on top of the lid, like so. Now to highlight my inner tear duct area, I'm actually taking a highlighter with purple reflexes, and I'm going to take it with a smaller brush and apply it to my inner quarter and also onto my lower lash line area. I usually don't go for this warm tone purple color on my lids, but I really do love how it's turning out. It's different enough, but it's not pushing my boundaries so much so that I feel uncomfortable, or I feel like someone's gonna look at me weird for doing this crazy makeup look. So I really do love it. Depending on your skin tone, once again, you can reach for more of a cooler tone purple or a warmer tone purple, but we're gonna go ahead and define the eyes. Now I am using a Kohl liner that we're gonna go ahead and smudge out, just because Japanese beauty trends actually never really reach towards this really bold eyeliner look. look, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to whip out this Kohl liner that we can smudge out. So when defining my eyes, I'm actually pulling down the liner look, as you guys can see, instead of pulling it up where it would create a cat eye. A lot of Asian beauty makeup looks and trends do call for this puppy eye look, where you actually pull down your eyeliner to just create this beautiful kind of soft defined look. I'm actually going to continue this line, and I'm actually just going to smudge it into my lash line, so it's not like super defined, focusing the weight more so on the end part. Now that I've defined my eyes with that eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and take a smaller brush, and I'm actually going to smudge out this liner for a more hazier look. And there we have our beautifully smoked out liner. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara to finish off this eye makeup look. Now the mascara that I just used is one of my favorites when it comes to trying to lengthen the lashes and still keep them super dark and curled all day. This is the Milk Makeup KUSH Waterproof Mascara, and it just looks gorgeous. It looks natural, but obviously we're still wearing mascara, and it doesn't smudge because it's waterproof. So now that we've finished the eye makeup look, we're gonna go ahead and move on into the rest of the face. And as I said earlier, I have already finished up my foundation, but one trend that's been really popping up a lot recently, along with the purple toned eyeshadows, is actually wearing a purple toned blush. Now I don't actually have a purple toned blush, but one thing that I highly recommend trying out is repurposing certain products like lip tint. I do have this reddish purple color lip tint, and one of the tricks that I love to do is to dot it where I do want the blush. This lip tint does look a little bit red, but it has that base of purple that is super trendy right now. So all you have to do is pat it onto your skin like so and blend it out. And by using lip tint, it actually makes your skin look a little bit more glowier. So I highly recommend trying out this hack. This blush look is so beautiful. I definitely want to incorporate it more into my day-to-day routine. Now, if you guys do want to try out all these beauty trends that keep popping up every season, I highly recommend already looking into the makeup that you already have and seeing what you can repurpose, especially things like lip tint you can use on your cheeks as well as your eyes and your lips. So definitely go ahead and look through what you already have, especially when things are just trendy and might not last a long time. You can go ahead and try out hacks like this to, you know, try out the look and not have to spend a lot of money on it. So to finish off this entire makeup look, I'm moving on into the lips. Now, when it comes to Japanese beauty trends, I feel like the place where they kind of experiment a lot more is the lip colors. I've seen so many different colors trending over the past few years, as well as different finishes. This year in particular, I've been seeing once again that warm toned purple color popping up, but also a neutral, almost brown shade coming up, as well as a glossier red lip. So you can go ahead and try out whatever lip color you want to. To go with this look though, I am trying out a new product to me actually. This is the Ilia Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. I find that especially in the winter time, lip oils are coming more and more into trend, and this fits the category of this warm toned purpley mauve color that I think will suit perfectly with this makeup look. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I absolutely love the texture of this. It is a lip oil, so it feels super moisturizing on your lips. It feels really, really glossy without feeling sticky whatsoever, and the color payoff is absolutely gorgeous. It is a little bit of a my lip color, but better, and it has a little bit more so of a purple tint than I'm used to, but I think it really suits well with this entire makeup look. So that's gonna be it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and are maybe able to take a few of these trends to apply into your own winter beauty routine. I'd love to see your guys' recreation, so make sure to go ahead and tag me on Instagram Instagram. And if you're curious about the specific products that I used in this week's video, make sure to go ahead and check out the description box down there for you guys. As I said earlier in this video, I try to use as many Western brands that you can actually pick up from Sephora so you guys have a chance to recreate this look a lot easier. But that's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support here on YouTube as well as Instagram. And if you haven't done so already, love Asian beauty as much as I do, I'd love for you guys to hit that subscribe button. I upload every single Saturday about Asian beauty, skincare, and lifestyle, and I will see you guys next Saturday. Bye everyone.